and text both describe going up a mountain and a chairlift. This text is from a poster. Yeah, the poster on the wall. Okay, you see the poster on the wall. Poster at the Columbia Sky. What's that? What are they doing? Ski.
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 Ski. Okay, kind of sport ski. Okay. Spelled S-K-I ski. Columbia ski. Center. This text is from a poster of at the Columbia ski center. The chairlifts. The chairlifts at the what's that? Ski.
Ski. Ski.
Ski.
Ski.
Ski.
Columbia.
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 Columbia. Okay, guys. Spell COLUCLUMBIA. Columbia. The chairlifts at the Columbia Ski Center are new and improved. You will love their safe, modern. The opposite of modern is ancient. Modern design to so much that riding up the mountain might be more fun than skiing down. Enjoy the scenery. The view, okay. As you soar to the top of the mountain. This text is told from the point of view of Gina, a woman on the chairlift. The chairlift wiped. Okay. Weep. What's that?
Columbia, 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 whip,
Whip.
whip,
Whip.
whip,
Okay.
HIP, whip.
Yeah, I think it here it means
To and
wind,
whip
wipe.
around something.
Okay.
whip,
Whip.
Okay, spell.
HIP, whip.
Yeah.
Twist.
Swing.
Swing. Swing. Swing. Twist. Swing.
Okay. Okay.
Any more
Complaints.
complaint? And I will.
I am.
Whip this car around and
Hiding.
heading back home. Twist.
Swing.
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 Swing. Swing. Swing. And whip.
Wipe.
Whip.
It's whip. Whip. Yes.
whip,
Whip.
whip,
Whip.
whip,
Okay. Can spell.
Whip. HIP, whip.
Okay. Whip means swing. Okay. Swing around.
The chairlift whipped around the
Bend.
bend. It picked up me up
Okay. Okay.
and I hang on
Anxiously.
anxiously as it carried me high into the sky.
Okay. I think whip around. And the bend. Bend probably is the place you get on the lift chair. Okay. Chair lift. It's called bend. I think it's the place around the bend. Okay. It picked me up and I held on anxiously as it carried me high into
The sky. I peeked down at the happy sky
Skinner.
skiers.
Yeah, there's a Skinner, a person who is skin. Okay, Skinner. What's that?
Whip.
whip,
Whip.
whip,
Whip.
whip,
Whip. Twist. Twist. Swing. Swing. swing 10.
Okay.
The child would
Okay. I picked down at the happy Skinner. Okay. Skinner. Skinner.
one that skis.
Okay, one person, a person that who skis.
Skier, skier, skier.
Okay. I picked down at the happy
Skiers on the ground below, but quickly shut my eyes again. I couldn't wait to go get off. I couldn't wait to get off. How is
Jenna's
point of view different from the
posters.
And describes why the chairlift is unsafe.
Jenna
creates a
sense
of fear about the chairlift.
Okay, which one?
Jenny creates a sense of fear about the chairlift.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay.
The following texts both describe camping trips. The text is told from the point of view of Mr.
Garner. Okay.
Pronounce names.
Garner,
Garner.
Garner, Garner,
Miss Garner. Okay. The text is told from the point of view of Mr. Motor
home owner.
Okay, motorhome. Yeah, that's motorhome. He lives in this car. Motorhome. Okay. Skier. I think it's like this. Yes. Okay.
Motor. Motor. Motor.
Okay, motor.
Motor. Motor.
Okay.
Machine
Produces motion or power for doing work. Motor. Okay, I'll show you motor. Motorcycle. Motor. This motor. Okay. Makes things move.